Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to add awesome effects on your video inside of the Filmora mobile app that will ensure or make your video go viral on social media. So to do that, first of all, open up a new project and you just have to include the video that you want to add your effects to. So I'm going to click on this video and I'm going to click on imports. So let's just play this video and just see how the video looks like. So this video is basically someone dancing. So we're going to be adding some effects today. So to add an effect, on the bottom, you're going to see some icons right here. Scroll till you see effects. So the type of effects we're going to be adding to our video is not just any type of effects. We're going to add a body effect. There's so much ton of effect that you can add to your video that will make your video look more awesome. But we're going to be adding a specific effect to our video. I'm going to click on the body effect. So there are two particular effects that I want to add to my video that will make it stand out. So we're going to be using the RGB03. I'm going to click on OK. So we're going to make it a little bit longer. So the next, we're going to add another effect. Click on add. And we're going to look for another effect called SM03. So this is the effect we're going to be using for our video. The SM03, click on it and click on OK. So we're just going to drag it to the entire duration of the video. So guys, our video is ready. So let's just play, click on OK and play our video. So if you like the way your video looks like, you just have to click on the export button and export it to your phone gallery. So this is pretty much how to create video effects that goes viral inside of Filmora mobile app. So if you found this video helpful, please just smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. And that's all for today. See you guys in the next one. Peace.